morning, everyone. Tim is having his breakfast. Tell us what you're having.
A croissant.
Wow, amazing. Surrounding
Very nice.
by lemon tree behind.
By the lemon tree. Beautiful weather. Greek time is 8:30 in the morning of Monday, and the sun is pouring down from a cloudless sky, and it's certainly worth a rather long journey, a rather arduous journey yesterday on the plane, but it was less than 4 hours. The pilot said that the flight was faster than normal because the winds were favourable, and it took about 3 hours and 3/4. And then all went very smoothly, actually. We found the bus all right, the correct bus, and then the journey was about maybe half an hour from the Heraklion Airport to our current location in Malia, just to the east. And then the Greeks we found to be very welcoming. The staff at the hotel, and it's certainly very, very nice. Both Tina, who's behind the camera, and me are very happy.
Well, it is the first day of our trip, and we're now walking in the rather hot sunshine towards the town of Malia, which is not too far ahead, and we're going slowly because of the heat. Fineska, tell us a little of what we have done this morning.
Yes, teman-teman, seperti kalian tahu kami berada di Crete, di Yunani ya, dan kalian lihat tadi pagi kami bangun tidur dengan luar biasa sekali dengan pohon lemon, dan sekarang kami menuju ke Malia. Isi Malia?
Malia.
Malia. Dan cuaca sangat luar biasa panas, tapi nggak berkeringat gitu ya, enak sekali. Dan kami jauh dari Inggris untuk datang ke Inggris untuk melihat matahari, dan disinilah.
Very, very warm.
Nice.
And so yes, we'll take it slowly, as I say, and we'll hopefully fairly soon arrive in the town centre. And apparently there's an old town there, and so an old Greek town doesn't sound an interesting place. So we'll simply continue. So this is the old town of Malia, and it's very, very warm. That's the first thing to say, but also lots of these narrow, winding streets, which is very attractive underneath the very hot sunshine, and it is very pleasant. That's looks quite an old building there, old balcony, and everywhere there are bougainvillea plants, which are very attractive. So Fineku, can you say what your feelings are to be here?
Well, teman-teman, saya berada di Old Town, yaitu kota tua ya kalau kita bilang. Saya merasa sedikit agak ke Indonesiaan ya, artinya kami banyak sekali bisa melihat apa tuh motor ya, motor kecil yang jalan ke gang, karena seperti kalian lihat jalanan di sini tuh sangat sempit sekali, dan itu mengingatkan kembali pada masa kecil saya ya, seperti suasana seperti itu, dan menarik sekali. Dan lebih dari itu semuanya, matahari bersinar ya, jadi kami menikmati sekali.
Talking about the temperature, at the moment I think it's warmer here than in Indonesia. Say, certainly in Bandung it's warmer here at the moment.
I think so, but it's not as hot as Surabaya.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But yeah, seperti dan di mana-mana ada bunga bougainville.
Yeah.
Dan itu seperti mengingatkan juga di Indonesia banyak sekali bunga bougainville ya. Dan ada kerinduan tersendiri ya untuk pulang ke Indonesia. Yuk kita jalan lagi. So where are we?
Well, we're now in the town of Malia, which is a very busy little town, just to the east of the capital city, Heraklion, and I'm about to enjoy a cup of iced latte, which is very nice, plus a huge chunk of cake containing blueberries. which
Blueberry
again-
slice.
Blueberry slice. And it's a huge chunk. There's something nice about the word chunk, isn't there? And, it's lovely. This particular shop or cafe is called Zim To, written in English, Sourdough Stories. And but the whole town of Marley is very nice, and we've enjoyed a slow walk in the heat all the way from our accommodation, which is not too far away actually, but we need to go slowly because of the heat. And we're now sitting in the shade, of course, enjoying a drink and a little bit of refreshment. So,
Well.
say how you feel.
Well, teman-teman ya, cuaca sangat panas dan kami tengah berada di sebuah kafe di mana kami duduk di seperti alley ya. Jadi suasananya enak, angin bertiup
Cooling
sehingga nggak begitu panas ya. Dan tim tengah menikmati es cappuccino dan kue yang sangat besar sekali, kue blueberry ya. Tapi saya tidak merasa begitu lapar, jadi saya tidak makan. Enjoy.